everyone, Lori Gagne with the BGM Real Estate team. Welcome to 501 Rannoch Private in the award-winning golf course community of Stonebridge in the city's southwest end. Come on in, have a look. Welcome to the open concept kitchen dining room area of this beautiful home. Easy access to the double car garage. Other end of the kitchen has the pantry, tons of counter and cabinet space, and lovely granite counters. This home has 3 bedrooms upstairs, large size master with a walk-in and an ensuite, 2 great sized bedrooms, and a small nook area that's great for a homework station. Basement is fully finished with a fabulous rec room.